In this problem, you're asked find the z-value that corresponds to the given area in the figure below. Use table E and enter the answer to the second decimal place. You can also use your calculator to find the z-value, which is what we're going to do. So it gives you the standard normal distribution here, and then you're looking for the z-value here. It gives you this shaded area, and it tells you that this area is equal to 0.3343, or another way that you can think about it is that the probability that data will lie in this shaded area or observations will lie in this shaded area is 33.43%. So to get to the z-value, the way that you want to think about the z-value is that it tells you which point you are on the normal distribution, considering all of the area under the curve from negative infinity until that z-score. So even though it's only showing you this shaded area here, don't get thrown off. You want to think about looking for all of the shaded area, again, from negative infinity up until the z-score. So you want to include the shaded area here to the left of the 0. So since you know that your standard normal distribution is symmetrical, and you know that half the data lies over here and half the data needs to lie over here. So then you know that this is equal to 0.5 or 50%. And so to get the z-value, what you're really looking for is the z-value that includes all of this area, which if we add it together, we've got 0.5 plus 0.3343. So this is your area that you're looking for, or you can also think about it as your probability. And so that's going to be 0.8343. So that's just the probability. You're looking for the z-score. So in order to do that, you're going to use either table E and go look for this probability and the z-score that corresponds to it, or you can use your TI-84. And if you do, the steps are second, and then distribution, so DISTR, and then the third choice, which is going to be INV-NORM. So you're doing the inverse of the normal distribution to find the z-score, and then you're going to enter the probability in here, which is this 0.343, or sorry, this 0.8343. So 0.8343, and that's going to give you your z-value, right? You're going backwards. You've got the probability and you're going backwards to find the z-value. So second, let's turn this on, second, distribute, number 3. So we've got inverse normal. Now we'll enter that 0.8343, close the parenthesis, enter, and then you get a z-value of 0.9713. If we round to the 4th decimal, the problem actually asks us to round to the 2nd decimal. So then that's going to be 0.97. So that's going to be your z-value that corresponds to this point here on your standard normal distribution.